Hi guys, Ellie here.
Hi guys, Aniq here.
Welcome to K2M
Unboxing and Reviews.
So today we have a Mophie Charging Stream Pad Plus.
Or just a Mophie wireless charging pad. Yes.
And this is the front of the box. And this is the back. And so it's designed for QI complaint. So compatible with Apple, Samsung, Motorola, LG, and QI
enabled
smartphones. So that's all, and it's fast charging with Samsung and Apple universal wireless charging.
So you can bring it anywhere it'll charge, kind of.
Yeah. And 2 times more power. So a standard QI, which is 5 volt, and this charge stream pad is 10 volt. So yeah, something. So
let's get unboxing.
Yippee!
Yes.
Pull it off.
Oh, not bad.
And it's black.
So we got black.
Let's start with that. Let's show the box. So
here you can see the box.
Okay. And there's something on the back.
And oh yeah. Oh no. Yeah.
Okay, let's just put it behind it.
Okay, so there's something on the back right here. And some words. Okay, so
now let's start with the
other things. So
manual, how to charging stream, quick start guide. This is how it comes. Okay, let's just put this on the side. Here. Now let's look at this part. Okay, that's good packaging. And it comes on with the plastic. You can see. And it's black. Let's put that back.
Let's see what's under now.
Let's see what's under. Let's see what's under.
So under here you see a charging cable. It has these charging things, and it's black. So it says
Mophie loves you.
Okay.
Show it. Okay. Now let's just put this on the side.
Let's put these things on the side.
Now let's get to the real charging pad. So they have a hole to take it out. So it says Mophie on the pad. Bottom of it's rubber. This is how the charging part is. So pretty small.
So
and
this thing it has rubber on it, so your phone won't kind of slide off and stuff. And yeah,
let's see how you put this cable. There is a big hole over here. You have to put
so, yeah.
Oh.
So this one has the Apple case, which is compatible. Let's see if it works.
Yep,
it works. 90% charge, and it's charging. Okay, now we have more stuff. Apple Watch. Does it work with the Apple Watch? Huh. It doesn't work with the Apple Watch, so that's okay. That's one thing you need to see, that it doesn't work with the Apple Watch, so phones are probably
the only thing.
Yeah.
So it works with both cases and without case.
So this thing here, pretty cool. It can be very useful,
and it's pretty light, so you can carry it around.
So thank you guys for watching our video.
Please like this video.
Remember to subscribe to our channel
and hit the bell icon.
Bye.
Bye.